Hello everyone, welcome back to the Advanced English course. If you haven't followed this course yet, you can check the playlist over here. In today's video, we'll be talking about 20 words which will help you to make plans with your friends. If you want to make plan with your friends, you want to give them a call, you want to tell them meet me here, these are the words that you can definitely use, and we will be talking about these words according to level, from basic to intermediate to advanced. Before that, why don't you quickly visit to english.learnwithsamanash.com, because if you are looking for speaking practice with somebody, if you're looking for one-on-one feedback, if you're looking for any other suggestions, you definitely have to go through our English course, which is best in my definition because I give my 100% over there. The details are on the course. The new batch is starting soon. So let's talk about basic to intermediate words. Basic to intermediate. The first word is hang out. Hang out. Spend time together casually. When you just want to have some fun together. Example, let's hang out at the mall this weekend. Let's hang out at the mall this weekend. I was hanging out with Sam. I was casually spending time with Sam. So hang out is a good word when you just want to have some get together, having some good time together. Next we have plan. Decide something in advance. For example, we planned a movie night for Friday. It's already done. The planning is done. Planning is trying to do something in advance. I will plan something soon. I will plan something soon. Next we have get together. It's a small informal meeting or a party. It's a party or a meeting. For example, there is a get together at Sam's house tonight. Some people are connecting together. They are having some sort of meeting, some sort of party. So we can call it a get together. 3 friends get together. Do you want to get together sometime? Do you want to spend some time together sometime? So I can say this word. Next we have meet up. Meet up is to meet someone at a planned time and place. You have already decided when to meet. You have already decided which place to meet. That's called a meet up. For example, these days a lot of YouTubers do a meetup. You know, they call people that I am in this place, come and meet me. That's called as meetup. Example, let's meet up at the coffee shop around 6 p.m. Let's meet up at the coffee shop around 6 p.m. Are you going to the writers meetup? Are you going to the writers meetup? Where all the writers will connect together. They will share some information and you can also join. Next we have catch up. Catch up is, it's not that ketchup which you eat with toast and stuff. It's catch up. C-A-T-C-H. It means to talk to someone after not meeting for a while. You were friends, but for 2 years you did not meet. And when you meet again, it's called as a catch up. For example, it's been so long. We need to catch up soon. We need to meet soon. Why don't we catch up this Saturday? Why don't we meet this Saturday? So, that was nice. Instead of saying meet every time, you can say catch up. Okay? Next we have confirm. Confirm is whatever plans you have made, you have to agree to that. You have to agree to that. For example, please confirm if you're coming to the party. If you're coming to the dinner. That means you have to say yes, whether you're coming or not. Next we have, I have confirmed the dinner. I have agreed that the dinner will take place. Next we have cancel. Next we have cancel. To cancel off a plan. When you don't want to do something, you can say cancel. For example, I had to cancel our lunch because I was unwell. I will cancel the party. So these are some of the words which are simple. They're basic. That's why we are talking about them right now. Next we have reschedule. When something was planned but you are not able to attend, so you are asking them to change the time of a planned moment. For example, can we reschedule the movie to tomorrow? Can we meet tomorrow? Can we reschedule? Next, the meetup is rescheduled. The meetup was supposed to be on a Saturday. Now it is rescheduled to Sunday. The meetup has been rescheduled. Next, we have check-in. Check-in is to ask or update someone. For example, you have a movie plan with somebody, but in the morning you're giving them a call to check in, to confirm whether the meeting is still happening. I just checking in. Are we still meeting today? I am checking in. I'm confirming. I will check in with you later about the movie plan. That means I'll call you tomorrow and we'll confirm whether it's still happening or not. So this is an interesting one. I've never used it. I've used it to check in hotels, but in order to use it in terms of meeting, this is new for me. Next we have join, which is a simple word to participate in something. For example, can I join you guys for dinner? Can I sit with you? You should join us tonight. You should come with us tonight. Next we have intermediate to advanced words. First is rain check. The first one is itself interesting. Rain check has nothing to do with rain. It simply means that you are postponing an invitation to another time. You were supposed to have a meeting with me, but all of a sudden something came up. So you can say, can I have a rain check on this? Can I make this meeting happen some other time? I will take a rain check on today's plan because I am feeling tired. I'll take a rain check. You take a rain check. You don't say that I rain check you. No, I will take a rain check. Or can I take a rain check? Sorry, I have to study tonight. Mind if I take a rain check? This is really important to say it correctly. Can I take a rain check on this? Next we have touch base. Touch base means to make contact to update or confirm plans. It's another word of confirming, but before confirming, to give them a call, to tell them I'm touching base. I'm just calling you. I'm just checking in. For example, let's touch base tomorrow morning about the plan. Let's check in tomorrow about the plan. Let's touch base. We should touch base tomorrow to review the presentation details. We should meet up tomorrow to discuss about these things properly. Next we have drop in or drop by. When you are casually visiting or unexpectedly visiting somebody. I'm recording a video. Somebody just enters into the classroom. So they are just dropping by. They are just casually coming inside to say hi. So you can say, feel free to drop by my place in the evening. Casually come. There's no need to plan. Next, why don't you drop by this weekend? Why don't you come to my home? So instead of saying come, you can say, why don't you drop in? Why don't you drop by? Okay. Next we have pencil in. Pencil in. It means tentatively schedule something. It's not confirmed. It's shaky. It may happen or may not happen. But let's just say that, let's just pencil in a movie night for tomorrow. Let's just make this as a plan. For example, let's pencil in lunch on Sunday, but I'll confirm later. It's not sure. Can we pencil in a coffee date next week? Can we meet up for a coffee next week? Next we have block out, to reserve time for something. I have a very busy schedule, but from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. I have blocked out my time for breakfast. I have blocked out Saturday evening for their meetup. That means that time is taken. You cannot do anything else in that time period. Don't worry. I'll block out a few hours for the plan. I'll block out a few hours for the plan. Next we have back out. Back out means to decide not to do something agreed earlier. First you have said that I'll do this, but later you call them, you said, sorry, I can't make it. I can't do this. So you are backing out. He backed out of the road trip last minute. He cancelled it last minute. Don't back out now. Don't leave now. Don't cancel now. We have already made the plans. Everything is done. Hotels are booked, flights are booked, and all of a sudden you're calling us to back out. That's unprofessional. Next we have coordinate. Organize people or actions effectively. When you have the whole thing planned, everything is set, you're coordinating an event. Let's coordinate with the group before booking the place. The coordination was impeccable. The arrangements were impeccable. The arrangement was impeccable. Impeccable means everything was perfect. Everything was, top notch, on the spot. Next we have reunion. You might have heard about it that we are doing a school reunion, college reunion. It means meeting after a long time. For example, we are planning a college reunion next month. All of the college mates are going to meet and they will do a college reunion. Next we have, will you be there at the reunion? Will you be there at the reunion, at the get together? Next we have host. Host is somebody. There are actually two meanings of host. The one is who is arranging and welcoming the guest, who has arranged the party. That's called as host. The process of doing it is also called as hosting. I'm hosting a dinner. I am the host. That's why I'm hosting a dinner. For example, I'll host the dinner at my place this time. I will do this. I'll be the one who will arrange things. Whoever hosted the party did an amazing job. Whoever arranged it, whoever coordinated it, did an amazing job. Next we have setup. Setup is used to arrange or prepare an event. You have to do a lot of things in order for a setup. Let's say it's a birthday party. You have to get the caterers, you have to get the decoration, you have to get the plays, you have to get the band and the music, you have to get invitations done, you have to get the food arranged, you have to get the lights arranged. All of this comes under the category of setup. For example, can you help me set up the birthday party? So doing everything that I just mentioned is called as setup. Let's set up the picnic spot near the lake. Let's arrange something near the lake. Then we have pretty much that's it. That's amazing. So if you want our free PDF of all of these words with some exercises, of course, you have to write us an email on learnwithsamanash@gmail.com. If you haven't watched any of our previous videos, you can do it over here. And most importantly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe because we need it and you know that. So why don't you help us and come forward and share that video and like the video and of course subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.